Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to find your Instagram username and manage your password on Android. Let's get started. Finding your username is super easy. Just tap the profile photo in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. At the top of your profile, you'll see your username, simple as that. Now, finding your password is a bit trickier since Instagram doesn't show it for security reasons. If you've forgotten your password, here's a tip. Tap the three lines in the upper right corner and then select Account Center. From there, go to Password and Security and look for the Saved Login option. Make sure this is toggled on. With this enabled, you don't have to remember your password to log in. Just log out, tap your username, and Instagram will handle the rest. That's it. Simple steps to find your username and manage your password on Android. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!